Welcome children. In chemistry class, you have to study properties of carbon dioxide. There are two properties. One is physical properties and other is chemical properties. So first you see physical properties of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Means carbon dioxide gas has no color, no smell and no taste. Solubility is the next. So carbon dioxide is soluble in water. It is slightly soluble in water, but under high pressure carbon dioxide is rapidly soluble in water. So it will dissolve in water rapidly. So due to this property, aerated drinks are prepared by dissolving carbon dioxide gas under high pressure. Next is density. So density, carbon dioxide is heavier than air. Its vapor density is 22 and vapor density of air is 14.4. Therefore, we can say carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air. Children, carbon dioxide gas when brought at low temperature and high pressure, then carbon dioxide change into solid, and this solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. So children, you have to keep in mind dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. It is produced by the process of solidification of carbon dioxide. So I told about the physical properties. Physical properties of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide colorless, odorless, tasteless, soluble in water, heavier than air and solidified, change into dry ice. Next is chemical properties. So in the chemical properties of carbon dioxide, first property is carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. So how we can say carbon dioxide is acidic in nature? Because carbon dioxide gas turns moist blue litmus paper red. Moist blue litmus paper turns red. It shows that carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. Next is carbon dioxide is soluble in water, and when it dissolves in water, it will produce carbonic acid. So carbonic acid is formula H2CO3. So children, you see this carbonic acid is produced by dissolving carbon dioxide in water. So H2O and carbon dioxide CO2. Then it will produce carbonic acid H2CO3. It is the carbonic acid produced. Now next is action with sodium hydroxide. So their action with sodium hydroxide is carbon dioxide to react with sodium hydroxide produce sodium carbonate and water. So children, you see there is sodium hydroxide and carbon dioxide. Now products are formed: sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 and water. So this is the equation. This is the reaction for formation of sodium carbonate. Carbon dioxide to react with sodium hydroxide produce sodium carbonate. Next is action with lime water. Carbon dioxide to react with lime water produce calcium carbonate, and calcium carbonate is insoluble, therefore lime water turns milky. So this is used for testing carbon dioxide also, because carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. So why lime water turns milky? Because carbon dioxide to react with calcium hydroxide produce calcium carbonate and water. Next is, if excess of carbon dioxide react with lime water, then it will produce calcium bicarbonate, and calcium bicarbonate is insoluble, therefore when excess of carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, milkiness of lime water disappear. So why the milkiness of lime water disappear? Due to formation of calcium bicarbonate. So here calcium hydroxide, this calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, it is the lime water, and carbon dioxide is going to react, then it will produce calcium carbonate and water. So calcium carbonate and water are produced. So due to formation of calcium carbonate and water, calcium lime water turns milky. But when carbon dioxide is passed in excess, so instead of their formation of calcium carbonate, it will form calcium bicarbonate. Next is action with metal. So carbon dioxide to react with metal form metal oxide and carbon. Carbon dioxide does not support combustion. Now next is how we can test the carbon dioxide. I told carbon dioxide not supporting the combustion, therefore when burning splinter is introduced in the jar of carbon dioxide, then burning splinter will be extinguished. So this is the property. Next is lime water turns milky. So carbon dioxide gas turn lime water milky. So these two are the tests for carbon dioxide. First is burning splinter will be extinguished, and second is lime water turns milky by carbon dioxide.